Have you ever wondered why when you step into a bus, nobody tells you how to act, how loud to talk, how to behave? You just sit in, wait for your stop and say, Akwe. Hi, my name is Isaiah Grover Nathaniel and this is SOC 101, where I break down sociology in a fun, simple and relatable way. Today we're talking about norms and how they quietly shape everything we do. In sociology, norms are rules, expectations, unwritten guidelines in society that shape how we behave. Norms could either be prescriptive or prescriptive. Prescriptive norms are norms that encourage positive behavior, like honesty, integrity, say the truth, and I will not touch you, honestly. But we all know that's a lie that we all fell for. Or norms could either be prescriptive. Prescriptive norms are norms that discourage negative behavior, like don't steal, don't tell lies to daddy, beat up my younger ones. You get what I mean by that. Norms control the small things, like how you greet elders, or the big things in society, like what is considered proper and acceptable. There are several types of norms, but two norms that are very prevalent in Nigeria are religious and cultural norms. What are these? Cultural norms are norms that come from our culture, tradition, knowledge, belief, festivals, food, greetings, and etc. You hear people say things like, in my culture, that's not how we used to do. And for example, in Nigeria, why are you entering somebody's house? We should. There are also religious norms. Religious norms are influenced by religious teachings, beliefs, and values. For example, praying at certain times, avoiding certain foods, accessories, and clothing. Norms are everywhere, shaping how we act, how we dress, how we speak, even how we think. And the wild part is, we do this without even knowing. Hi, this is just episode 1 of SOC 101, where I break down sociological ideas into simple, real-life conversations. Please, if you enjoyed this video, like, share, and comment. And tell me what everyday norm you've noticed in your life. And if you have any questions you would like me to address in future videos, please feel free to send them in the comment section. Bye.